Hello everyone, welcome to the session of Matplotlib. Today we are gonna start with the session of Matplotlib, which is a library for data visualization. Now, Matplotlib is a 2D plotting library that is used for producing quality figures so that you can get your business insights from your data set. Now it is used to generate plots, histograms, bar charts, scatterplots, and all kinds of visualization charts. So let's import our package matplotlib. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Now this pyplot, what this does is matplotlib.pyplot. It is a collection of command style functions. So each of this pyplot function, it makes some changes to your figure or your plot. Changes such as it creates your figures or it creates your plotting area and etc. All these things. And another thing which this should be accompanied with is a magic function which we refer as matplotlib inline. Now this and you don't have to put any space in between. So what this matplotlib inline does is it turns on your inline plotting. That is where your plot graphics will appear in your Jupyter notebook. So let's get started. Let's say we have these two list values, uh, x and y, and we want to plot them. So it's very easy. You use plt.plot for plotting, and you pass your x-axis and y-axis respectively. So as you can see, it has plotted your graph very efficiently. Now you can make many changes in this, like if you don't want this color blue, you can change the color to green. Let's say it changes your color to green. There is another parameter. If you are finding this line width to be small, you can also change the line width, say 2.5. Yeah. Now there are many other things which you can do to your graph. Like this graph doesn't have the name of x-axis and y-axis. We don't know what are these values, what this graph is representing. So let's say that these x and y values are the roll number and marks. So let's label them. Uh, plt.x label, that is for the x-axis. Let's say x-axis is the roll number of the students, and the y-axis plt.y label. These are the marks of the students, and let's say the title of plt.title of the graph should be result. And now let's plot. So as you can see, it has now plotted these values. Now this graph, what this becomes very handy. Now you can easily say that roll number 4 has the lowest marks and roll number 5 has the highest marks. Now when you were looking at this list of values, it was becoming a very tedious task for us to find, okay, what is the largest. Okay, 99 is the largest, and which roll number has got. So when you have a graph, a visual impression, then you can find these things very easily. So this creates a much greater impression for your business insights. And last thing you can say that since this is only a small number of data points, so the chart is not looking very hefty. Uh, Say you want to increase the size of the chart. So let's say that plt dot figure image, and you want to change the size. And you want the size to be, let's say, 15 by 6. And let's run this. Now you can see we have a much larger size chart with very clear picture of roll number 4 with lowest and roll number 5 with the highest marks. So as you know guys, this was just an introductory session of Matplotlib, and we have much more to come. So stay tuned, and in the meantime, if you have any queries, please feel free to comment, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.